Did you know that you can install Chargent's free trial in your Salesforce Sandbox? You get full access to Chargent's premium features, like our payment request system. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin who wants to supercharge your Chargent's free 30-day trial, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into 5 essential tips to make the most out of your Chargent free trial experience. But first things first, if you're ready to experience the power of Chargent for yourself, but have not started your free 30-day trial, head on over to the Salesforce AppExchange to get started. We're about to dive deep into maximizing your Chargent's free trial. Tip number 1, add Chargent Anywhere, everywhere. One of Chargent Anywhere's superpower is that it can be placed, well, anywhere, from custom objects to standard objects. Importantly, it integrates very well with our very own Chargent Orders object. This enables users to take payments using our state-of-the-art UIs and access every feature of Chargent. When placing your Chargent orders, you'll enjoy the added benefit of Payment Summary feature, which provides an at-glance transaction overview. Tip number 2, test faster with Payment Console. The Payment Console is one of our Chargent's most loved features and makes it easy to create transactions in Salesforce. With a few clicks, you can automatically populate billing information or create a recurring payment schedule. This allows you to accelerate your testing process, and when you're done testing, your users will have access to one of Chargent's most popular features. Before moving into the next tip, just a reminder that all you need to do to get started with your free trial is to visit the Salesforce AppExchange to install it now. I'll leave a link in the description of this video for you. Tip number 3, know your gateway. Chargent supports over 30 different payment gateway integrations. And let's face it, every payment gateway is a bit different. If you already chosen one or more payment gateways, that's great. If not, you'll need to consider some important gateway-specific decisions, such as what payment methods you want to accept or what fraud prevention features are available. If this sounds daunting, don't worry. You can always contact us and we'll help you find the perfect gateway for your needs. Tip number 4, customize carefully. We all know that one of the main reasons you might want to take payments in Salesforce is to create and customize a solution that meets your specific payment process requirements. Using Chargent in Salesforce allows you to develop a payment process unique to your organization. We do, however, recommend that one thinks through all the factors when adding validation rules, required fields, flows, or Apex triggers related to Chargent objects, as this can prevent creations of transaction records in Salesforce. We encourage you to consider testing in a sandbox before rolling out to production. Tip number 5, we're always here to help. Chargent was designed with an ease of use in mind. If you ever have questions or run into roadblocks, we're here to help. Our extensive documentation and knowledge base contains information designed to educate and guide you through your Chargent implementation. We'll leave links to the resources in the description below. If you still can't find your answers, our beloved support team is available to help with any questions along the way. And now, check out this next video, where we'll learn how to set up your Chargent free trial in 10 minutes or less. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.